What's going on? This is Candido Gonzalez with the new beginning. I know I haven't been making videos for a couple days. I apologize. I'm sorry. I've been in the doctor's checking my right and knee. I got hurt at work. So, as you know, I do construction. If you see some of my latest videos, hopefully you go and see some of my latest videos. I do construction work, plumbing. So I got hurt. So they found something on my bones, a spot, and they thought it was cancerous. So I apologize, but I've been sitting here kind of thinking of that for a couple days, a couple weeks. So that's what has been going on. But I went to the doctors the other day and everything came out great. Everything is good, no cancer. I'm okay now. So I'm back. Y'all can't get rid of me that quick. So I just wanted to apologize and say sorry. You know, that's why I was out. But like I said, I'm back. And hopefully you guys are doing great. You see what happened to me? It can happen to anybody, you know? It can happen in a flash. All I need you guys is to believe, man. Believe in yourself. Believe and do good things, man. There's a lot of things out there that you could do, man. You know, dream big. Try to do something with it, you know. Don't stay in the same spot, man, because sometimes it's not even worth it. You know, I just hope that you guys understand me and understand what I've been trying to tell you guys. You know, there's other things out there. Just try. What's the hardest thing you could do is fall, get back up and wipe yourself off, man, and try to do something else. It's got to be something else out there, man. It's not only your 9 to 5. You know, there's other things out there, man. Just believe in yourself, man. Do incredible things, because out there, man, incredible things is a beautiful thing, man. When you do incredible things. You never know when things are going to go down the drain and you can't do anything about it. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to stay the same? Or are you going to go out there, travel the world, you know, when all this coronavirus thing passes through? Another thing, man, stay safe, put your mask on, you know, put your gloves on. I have them on all the time, man, when I go out there, because it's bad out there. Man, one thing that hit me the most was, man, I went to that clinic up in Tampa. I was out there in this cancer place, and kind of remind me of my wife, best friend, and what she went through, you know. And you go in there and you sit there with them people, and you in there because you're scared of what might happen to you. And you see all these people in there, man, you know, so strong, so powerful, you know, sitting there going through treatment and not a care in the world, not afraid at all. They know they gotta get through this and be strong, you know. And I was in there so afraid, you know, of what was gonna happen to me. And I look at these people, man, and they're so strong and sitting there and just with no worries. You know, everybody always says, oh, heroes. We gotta see heroes, man. We gotta see the doctors that are out there taking care of us for the coronavirus. We gotta see them people that are sick, you know, that are out there, you know, have AIDS, have cancer, you know, have any kind of disease, and they're out there fighting. And then you see us. We get a little something, or somebody says something about it, and we get so scared, you know, and not looking around us, seeing how many people are out there and they're still grateful. Even if they're going through all that, they're still grateful they're still alive and that they have a God. We are selfish sometimes, man, because we walk around, we drive around, you know. If a guy slows down in front of you, you know, or they drive slow, I've seen this a lot. And we're like, move, man, get out the way, man. Why are you driving so slow? And you don't know what that person's going through, or you don't know if it's a older person or not. And you drive by and you're like, oh my God, you know. And the moment you look in there and it's probably an older person or somebody with things in their mind. And we are so selfish and we don't care. Like when I go out there to the stores and I have my mask on, like I said, my gloves, and I go out there and I see all these older people out there shopping. I feel so bad for them because you don't know, this person is probably alone and they don't have nobody to take care of them. So they have to go out there and risk themselves to go shopping, to do things. It's incredible, man. It's just unbelievable. And I feel so bad and it hurts me so much in my heart. Then you see a mother with their childs out there. And sometimes I sit there, I'm like, yo, lady, why are you doing this? You know, why are you risking your children out there? But then you put two and two together. You never know if this lady lives by herself. She doesn't have a husband or her husband passed away. You don't know. So she has to bring their child out there. You know, we need to stop. We need to think before we do things. Think before you do things. Look around yourself, you know. Be grateful for what you got. Be grateful for what you do. I always say something about the 9 to 5. But there are some people out there that are happy with that 9 to 5 because they have a job. Be grateful for what you have, like I said before. All I'm saying is, be grateful, but have dreams too. You know, that's what I'm trying to say. Have dreams too. Stay in your 9 to 5, work, but on the side, do your dreams. If you want to be an artist, be an artist. If you work in cars, work in cars. If you paint, you paint. If you like fast cars and you like to make videos like this, do them. But do something. Because life is short and you don't know when it's going to end. So why not try? Try to do something. Not also for yourself, but for your family too. Look at me. I sit here and I try every day, make these videos. And sometimes I look how many people look at my subscriptions or how many people look at my page. And it could be 2 or 3 or 4 people. But you know what? I don't care because I'm trying. This is a dream that I have. And I know it's going to take time because it's not easy. I follow a lot of people, you know. Wesley, $1 Million. I follow him. Where he came from to where he's now. Joe, I think it's Joe Brown. He used to be one of the guys that I used to follow from the beginning. And he's not doing videos anymore, but he still got all his subscribers on there. He's probably doing something, a dream that he followed. Now he doesn't need to make the videos. I apologize for my dog. But just stay focused on what you got. Follow your dreams. Make them big. Do something about them. And keep going on, man. Like the train. Choo-choo, just keep going. Because it's like a tunnel, you know? At the end of that tunnel, You're going to look back and you're going to say, I did it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for believing in me. If you follow me, you do. If you don't, you don't. But I know someday I will look back on these videos and I will have more subscribers and I will have more people watching these videos. I love you guys no matter what. See you in the next one. And please, thumbs up. Subscribe. If you got anything to say, just write me. I'm here for you guys. Love you. Believe in yourself and start in the new beginning.